33.3% of the views from this shorts video came from the short shelf. 33.3% of the views from this short video came from browse features. 54.5% of this shorts video came from YouTube search. 38.1% of the views from this shorts video came from external traffic sources. In this video, I'll show you why your YouTube shorts are not getting views and how to fix them. You'll learn how to optimize your YouTube shorts correctly so you get traffic from the short shelf as well as other traffic sources. I've discovered that the largest traffic source comes from the short shelf. But how can you get your shorts videos to appear on the short shelf? YouTube recently rolled out the shorts feature on the YouTube app for all US citizens. Let me know in the comments below if you've currently got the shorts feature on your phone. I still haven't got it yet. If you have the shorts feature on your phone, you can create a 15-second video and upload it to YouTube. If you don't have the shorts feature, you can still upload a shorts video from your computer. It just has to be under 60 seconds long in a vertical format and add hashtag shorts in the title or description. Click the link in the description to learn how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC. Here's some tips on creating a Shorts video so you get more views. Number 1, grab your viewer's attention in the first couple of seconds. You can do this by asking a question or showing some motion. Number 2, focus on one main point you want to deliver to your audience, especially if it's only a 15-second Shorts video. If it's a 60-second Shorts video, then you can probably mention other points. Number 3, think about the purpose of your Shorts video. Is it to get more subscribers, or to link to a related video from your shorts video? Number 4, give a call to action. If the purpose of your shorts video is to get more subscribers, then invite people to subscribe by adding a subscribe graphic and telling people to subscribe. If the purpose is to link to a related video topic, then add an end screen at the end of your shorts video. Just keep in mind you can only add an end screen in the last 20 seconds of your video. So if it's only 15 seconds long, you're probably not going to add an end screen. But instead create a 60-second video, then add an end screen in the last 20 seconds. Here are some optimization tips for YouTube Shorts. Number 1, create a short title. Most of the traffic is going to come from the short shelf by viewers browsing the videos on their phone using the YouTube app. Therefore, you want to keep your title short and make sure it's a search query that people are entering into the search engines. Number 2, add a custom thumbnail. If you want your shorts video to be discovered in search, suggested, browse features, and external traffic sources, add a custom thumbnail that stands out amongst all your competitors. Make sure you include an optimized description and any relevant tags that are related to the content in your video. I've discovered that the initial traffic source that shorts videos gets, just like regular videos, is from browse features. These are views that you get from your shorts video appearing on the home screen. You also get views from suggested videos. These are videos that appear on the right side of the watch page and the videos that appear below the video that they're watching in the YouTube app. It usually takes a few days to a week before your shorts video appears on the short shelf, so be patient. Another thing you can do to optimize your shorts videos is to add a shorts section to your YouTube channel homepage. Now your shorts videos won't actually appear on the YouTube channel homepage, but it will help them to appear on the short shelf on the YouTube app. Why doesn't my shorts video appear on the short shelf? Just like regular videos, the algorithm follows the audience. If your audience is not interested in the topic or you're not delivering what you promised in the title, then they'll leave right away and your video won't show up on the short shelf. Just like regular videos, you need to keep the audience retention as close to 100% as possible. This is easier to do with shorts videos because they're shorter. Also, try to make a high impact video by showing a lot of motion, music, sound effects, etc. This will help keep your viewers engaged. Are you ready to get started with YouTube Shorts so you can grow your YouTube channel? If so, click the link in the description to learn how to get started with YouTube Shorts. What if you get stuck for YouTube Shorts video ideas? No worries, just watch the video on the screen right now for YouTube Shorts video ideas that help grow your channel.